Assalamu alaikum. Today we are talking about the unitary method. And in unitary method we will discuss in part 1, and we have simplified that how can we calculate the value of object of same kind when the value of many object will be given. In this video we will discuss that the value of many object of the same kind, and we have to calculate this by when the value of some of these are given. So let's start. In the question number 1, part E, I am following the journey through maths student book class 5. So a crate weighs 70 kg. How many crates would weigh 4200 kg? So you have to find out the that how many crates you need to put this weight. So for this value, what should we do? We should one crate weight is given, which is equal to 70 kg. If how many crates mean x crates, we don't know the number of crates. We have to find out the number of crates. Number of crates weight 4200 kg over 70. So it will be give you, when you cancel 0 with upper and lower numerator and denominator, we get 60. So 60 crates are needed to weight 70, having each having weight 70 kg to reach a total weight of 4200 kg. Question number 1, part F. Bilal runs a workshop. He earns rupees 60050 in 5 months. 60,050 rupees in 5 months. How much does he earn in 7 months? So what should we do? We have to find out the Bilal earning in the 7th month, and 5 months income are given. Bilal runs a workshop and he earns in a 5 month, which is given, is rupees 60,050 rupees. The earning of 1 month, how can we calculate? He earns in 1 month, we should divide this value with the rupees which is given. So rupees 60,050 rupees, 60,050 rupees divided by 5. And when we divide, we get rupees 12010, 12,010 rupees. Now we have to find out, the question is given that we have to find out the earning of 7 months. So what should we do? We will multiply the value of 1 month with the 7. So 12,010 rupees will be multiplied with the 7, and we get 84,070 rupees. So the earning of the Bilal in the 7 month is rupees 84,070 rupees. Question number 1, part G. A worker is paid rupees 28,018 rupees for 70 days. How much would he paid for rupees 25 days? So the income of the worker is given not of 1 day but of 17 days. He earned 28,008 rupees, 18 rupees. We have to calculate the 25 days earning. What should we do? We will do the 17 days worker pay. The pay of 17 days worker, 17 days of a worker is rupees 28,018. So 1 day the pay of worker is, you have to divided this value with the this figure which is given. So 28,018 rupees divided by 17. When we divide, we know how can we divide it, and we get a this one is 1648.11 rupees by doing the division, simple division, because there is no cancellation about the 17 is a prime number. So we will have to, there is and 18 is going to the it's a prime, it's not a prime number. So uh, we will do simple division, and we get 1648.11. So 25 days worker is paid is equal to, so we have to calculate 1 day income will be, we have find out, figure it out. Now we have to multiply this value rupees 16 for 8.11 with 25, and we get the paid of 50 25 days of a worker, which is equal to 24120 2.75. Question number 1, part H. A taxi charges rupees 357.50, which is equal to 35 357.50 rupees for a journey of 20 kilometer. How much would it charge for a journey of 540 kilometer? So the distance is given that 20 kilometer charge of a taxi is 357.50. We have to calculate the charges for 540 kilometer. Here you can see there is no okay, 20-kilometer journey of a taxi charges rupees 357.50, and 1 kilometer journey charges is, we have to again multiply this value 20 divided by 357.50. We get 17.875. Now the journey for 540-kilometer charges will be, we have to just multiply the 1 kilometer journey charges with 540 kilometer, and we get rupees 965 9652.5. So a taxi charge for 540 kilometer is rupees 9652.5. Now coming to the question, th- question number 2, we have done all the parts of question number 1. This question number 2 is that Hiba went to a shop and saw the discounted offer of various items. Which offer should she choose if she is looking for a cheaper offer? So two options are given. When there is the option A is 25 boxes of sweets, rupees 37.50, or 60 boxes of sweet, it's rupees 775. And the B option is that 15 caps of rupees 150 or 5 caps for rupees 60. Here, in the question, Hiba is going to the shop and he sees some discounted prices. So, which option she choose? So, let's calculate it. To determine which offer is cheaper, we need to calculate the price per unit each item in both offers. For option A, this given is that 25 boxes of sweets for rupees 37.50. So 1 box of sweet is equal to, we have to divide the 37.50 rupees by 25, and we get the per sweet box price is rupees 1.50. So one box of a sweet in the second offer will be 60 boxes of sweets, rupees 75. So 75 divided by 60, you will get rupees 1.25 rupees. So which is the lower price? Is rupees 1.50 or a rupees 1.25? Correct, 1.25. So Hiba will choose the second option, which is Hiba will choose the 60 boxes of sweet for rupees 75. In the next, the offer is about the caps, and 15 caps rupees 150 or 5 caps rupees 60. Which offer she choose? She will choose the, let's see, 1 cap of cost rupees 150 divided by 15, so which is equal to rupees 10, and 1 cap of a second cost rupees 60 divided by 5, which is 12. So which price is lower? Rupees 10. So she will use the first, so to get a cheaper offer. There is another question which is related to the example. Ariba went to an ice cream shop and bought 9 ice creams. She paid rupees 225 to the shopkeeper. The next day, she went to the same shop again. This time, she brought 7 ice cream. How much did she pay for 7 ice cream? So, let's see how can we solve this question. So as you know that the given cost of 9 ice cream is rupees 225.50, which can also be written as 5 cross 5 cross 9. You can also be written as this. the cost of one ice cream, how can we calculate the cost of one ice cream? By dividing the 225 divided by 9. And the cost of one ice cream, there is a simplification. I can write 225 like this is another simplification term, and we have to divide 25 multiply 25 divided by 9, and we get 9. So the cost of 7 ice cream is rupees um 25. Now, the cost of 7 ice cream we have to calculate. For that purpose, we have to multiply it. So, rupees 175 is the cost of 7 ice creams. I hope it's clear. Thank you.